How to create custom module in Suitecrm. Follow the instructions. Create a new package in the module builder. Enter the package name, author, and description. Set a unique key for the package. Add a new module to the package. Set the module name, type, and basic settings. Choose the module's template if needed. Add custom fields to the module. Define relationships with other modules. Customize the detail, edit, list, and search views. Save the module configuration. Deploy the module. Run a quick repair and rebuild. Test the module to ensure it works as expected. Publish the package if you plan to use it in other instances. Thank you for watching.